Hi there everyone, I've got a really quick demo for you today. This is something that I ran into a little while ago with the Service Book laptop. It's not specific to this laptop, it's just a lot of my colleagues have these. So the issue is with OBS Studio, when you are trying to do a screen recording, you just get a blank screen. There's a lot of information out there on how to fix this using NVidia Control Panel. A recent version of that hasn't been working for me, so I found this other workaround which actually doesn't need NVIDIA. It just uses the Windows display settings, so I thought I'd record a video and show you guys how to do it. Thanks for watching, hit like if you find this video useful, and I will see you next time. Thank you. So to get OBS Studio working on your Windows desktop, we're going to right click on the desktop itself and go to display settings. You don't actually have to have the NVIDIA drivers installed for this, but I happen to have them. So once in here, scroll right to the bottom and come to this graphics settings, and we're going to click browse on classic app, and here I'm already in C program files, OBS Studio bin 64-bit, and this is just the exe that you launch when you run OBS Studio. Going to hit options, and here I can see I've got my power saving GPU is the built-in one. I've got the high performance GPU, which is my NVIDIA, and because my display is plugged into the system board, things are getting actually rendered for the screen on the internal Intel graphics card. So we want to go with power saving and click save. And then when we come into OBS Studio, you actually get to see the screen in here rather than that blank screen that's quite often an issue. And it's as simple as that. No need for the NVIDIA control panel, no extra drivers. It's just a feature of Windows now to set any of your applications to run on a specific GPU. And similarly, if you're video editing, you can set your editor to always use the more powerful NVIDIA card rather than the built-in one, which is less powerful. It's worth noting though that on the things like the Surface Book, where you can eject the screen, you may have issues with that screen ejection. So if something is running on the NVIDIA on the keyboard portion of the laptop, it will not let you eject the screen until you've actually stopped that program. But it's as simple as that. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.